Welcome to our guide on how to change the language on your Telegram app when using it on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Begin by opening Telegram on your PC. Once the app is launched, locate and tap the search icon at the top of the screen. In the search box, type @langbot using the on-screen keyboard. Look for the first option that appears in the search results and select it. Next, hit the Start option, located at the bottom of the page. This action will prompt a list of languages to appear on the screen. Choose the language you wish to set for your Telegram app. After selecting your preferred language, proceed to choose your device name, in this case, desktop, to ensure the language settings are applied correctly. You will then receive a file from Telegram. To proceed with changing the language, tap on the 3 horizontal dots located in the corner of the file. Select the Apply Localization File option to initiate the language change process. This step is crucial in updating the default language on your Telegram app. Lastly, from the list of languages shown, choose your preferred language to complete the process of changing the default language on Telegram for your PC. By following these steps, you can easily customize the language settings on your Telegram app to enhance your user experience while using the app on your PC. Thank you for following along with our tutorial. We hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you with changing the language on your Telegram app. Enjoy using Telegram in your preferred language.